Welcome to the Explainer. Look, if you are constantly scrolling through Instagram comment sections, literally begging creators for links to the AI tools they're using, only to finally get one and bam, smash face first into a giant paywall, well, you are exactly in the right place. Today, we're diving into the absolute best free alternatives to the most expensive AI tools on the market, so you can finally escape the freemium trap.
I mean, are you just totally tired of premium AI subscriptions that run out of credits in like 3 days? It's the ultimate freemium trap, right? You sign up, get a handful of generations, and then boom, 3 days later, they're asking you to hand over your credit card. Not today. In this explainer, we're going to reveal the actual ultimate free alternatives to the market's biggest paid tools without sacrificing an ounce of quality. Okay, so let's dive right into this roadmap. We're going to systematically cover every single category you need to boost your workflow: text and research tools, free video generation, website, app, and audio, design and custom chatbots, and finally, how to find new tools. Starting off with Section 1, Text and Research Tools. We are going way beyond your basic chatbot here, looking at alternatives to heavyweights like Claude and ChatGPT. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the sheer contrast in value. On the left side, you've got the heavy hitters, the paid models like Claude Opus 4.7, GPT 5.2, Grok, Perplexity. Paying for all of those individually, it would cost a small fortune. But look over on the right. We have a platform called ChatAI. By simply going to this site, you can access the premium versions of these exact models completely for free. You just pick your model, toss in a prompt, and it responds exactly like the premium paid version would. But, what if you're a visual learner? Standard text models just spit out giant walls of text that can be super overwhelming. Well, that brings us to Flow with AI. If you're doing deep research or complex analysis, this tool is perfect because it moves beyond standard text outputs. It actually generates your answers using visual flowcharts and graphics. It's like a giant puzzle, but the AI puts all the pieces together for you visually. All right, let's transition with some high energy into Section 2, free video generation tools. We're talking cinematic quality at zero cost, which is absolutely what most creators are desperately searching for right now. Just take a look at this number, $150. That is what you might drop on just 1,000 credits for an all-in-one platform like Hexfield. And the worst part? You'll just watch those credits vanish instantly. Hexfield is amazing, for sure, but the cost is just absolutely brutal. So how do we bypass this? Well, here's a fascinating open-source GitHub alternative workflow. Basically, the secret GitHub code acts as a free open-source alternative to Hexfield without eating up any of your credits. You literally just click the URL in the GitHub code, grab a free API key, and suddenly you have access to top-tier tools like Nano Banana, Seeddance, and Kling AI. It is a massive backdoor for creators. Now, if you want something incredibly realistic, you might have tried Veo 3, which gives you, 2 or 3 free daily generations? You can't survive on that. Instead, check out Happy Horse. This is the absolute go-to for generating insanely realistic cinematic videos. Think literally Harry Potter-style movie scenes completely for free. The realism is just unmatched. Next up, let's set up the ultimate battle, specifically for those of you running faceless YouTube channels. On the left, we've got the super famous but super expensive HeyGen. And on the right, your new best friend, a highly capable and completely free alternative, Creo AI. And this brilliantly illustrates why Creo AI is such a powerhouse. From a single, simple prompt, Creo AI handles the entire video production pipeline. It generates the core idea, writes out the full script, pulls the relevant B-roll footage, and outputs a fully generated final video. For faceless channel creators, this is an absolute game changer. But hey, maybe you still really, really want that all-in-one Hexfield experience, but you refuse to pay those premium prices. Check out this contrast. Hexfield's basic subscription runs around $450, but a tool called Qt.ai offers nearly identical results, and its basic subscription starts at just $6, literally a fraction of the cost. Oh, and really quickly before we leave video, if you are a creator looking to localize your content into multiple languages for free, aivideotranslate.com is a crazy good tool. Upload your video, select your target language, and boom, you get an instant free translation. Okay, Section 3, website, app, and audio. We are shifting focus to building your digital real estate, basically tools that replace super expensive developers and audio engineers. Tools like Emergent or Replit are great, but they can be pricey. Here is an incredibly accessible free workflow using atoms.dev. Step 1, get a prompt from ChatGPT. Step 2, paste it into atoms.dev. Step 3, answer a few simple questions. And step 4, it auto-generates the backend, the UI/UX, and the front end. Actually, scratch that, it doesn't just auto-generate it. It makes the whole process so easy that building an app is completely within your reach. Now for audio. Bypassing the steep paywalls of platforms like ElevenLabs without sacrificing voice cloning quality is absolutely crucial. You've got Speechify AI, which is fantastic for text-to-speech and cloning, or check out EasyMade AI. It's this crazy all-in-one free tool where you can generate images, video, and audio cloning without paying for a single credit.
Moving right along to Section 4, Design and Custom Chatbots. We all know how wildly expensive brand identity and customer service bots can be, so let's do some branding on a budget.
A while back, Lovable AI went viral as a virtual design agent, but it offered absolutely zero free credits. The ultimate alternative right now is on the right, Java AI. Right now, this acts as your completely free design agent. It gives you a free brand identity, logos, videos, and product images. While it might eventually charge, for now you absolutely have to jump on this. For your day-to-day design needs, Leonardo AI is your go-to. It's the best for images because it keeps your workflow alive by giving you 150 daily updating credits. And if you want to get a bit more technical, Chatbase.co handles technical chatbot integrations without costing a dime. You just train a custom chatbot on your data and take it live on your site, totally for free. Let's move to and see how this builds into our fifth and final section, finding new tools and the reality of mastery. The AI landscape spreads like wildfire. It changes literally every single day. So AI Exploria is the ultimate hack to never fall behind. It's your daily cheat sheet for discovering new AI models. And crucially, it has a dedicated free section. No more hunting through comment sections. But look, let's ground ourselves for a second. While these tools are incredible free alternatives, just hoarding links isn't enough. The source points out a great quote. Where you pay employees 6,000 rupees, AI can be a replacement, but you must invest in mastering these tools to actually increase productivity. Having the free tools is great, but learning to properly use them, like through a dedicated masterclass, that is the real key to solving 90% of your business problems. So, I leave you with this question. You now have the ultimate toolkit to escape the freemium trap, but which one of these tools are you going to actively integrate into your workflow today to outpace the competition? Don't just sit on this information. Take immediate action. Get out there, start experimenting, and take control of your digital workflows. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I will catch you in the next one.